Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Mazda CX-3 brake pads. First, gather all necessary tools and parts, including new brake pads, a jack stands, a lug wrench, and a C-clamp. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and securely supported by jack stands. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses and gloves, throughout the entire process. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe brake pad replacement. Once the wheel is off, you'll see the brake caliper. Begin by loosening the two caliper guide bolts, usually located on the back of the caliper. Once these bolts are removed, carefully lift the caliper off the rotor and secure it with a bungee cord or wire to prevent strain on the brake hose. Now, you can easily slide the old brake pads directly out of the caliper bracket. Inspect the rotor for any deep grooves or damage. Before installing the new pads, you'll need to compress the caliper piston. Use a C-clamp or a specialized piston compression tool to push the piston back into its bore, creating space for the thicker new pads. Apply a thin layer of brake grease to the back of the new pads and the caliper contact points. Carefully slide the new pads into the bracket, then reposition the caliper and tighten the guide bolts securely. After securing the caliper, reinstall the wheel and tighten the lug nuts. Lower the vehicle completely. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. This action seats the new pads and ensures proper brake function. Also, check your brake fluid reservoir. It might need topping off. Remember to drive cautiously for the first 100 miles, avoiding hard braking to allow the pads to properly bed in. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.